Which is an example of a relational database? The answer is option C, PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL is a relational DB. What is supervised learning? The answer is option B, uses labeled training. Supervised learning uses labeled data to train models. Which algorithm is for classification tasks? The answer is option B, logistic regression. Logistic regression is for classification. Which algorithm is best for clustering? The answer is option C, k-means. K-means is an unsupervised clustering algorithm. What is PCA used for? The answer is option C, dimensionality reduction. PCA reduces dimensionality while retaining variance. Which library is used for machine learning in Python? The answer is option B, scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is a major machine learning library. What is XGBoost? The answer is option C, an ML algorithm. XGBoost is an optimized machine learning boosting algorithm. What is a confusion matrix used for? The answer is option C, evaluating classification models. Confusion matrix evaluates performance of classification algorithms.